Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to create group in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on three horizontal lines, which are located at the upper left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the new group from the label. Click on the users you want to add to your group. You can add up to 200,000 members in a group. Once you choose the members, tap on right-facing arrow button. Now give a name to your group. After that, click on the tick button, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. And you will successfully create a group in Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to create group in Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.